Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how to add custom JavaScript in Elementor free and pro method. So do you know you can add custom JavaScript in Elementor without any plugin bloat? Stay with me, I will show you both free and pro method step by step. So Elementor is most of the popular WordPress page builder, allowing you to design beautiful website with ease. So first we discuss why add custom JavaScript in Elementor. So for like removing or adding class dynamically, create animation transaction. If it is possible via Elementor, then first try with Elementor. If it is not possible, then try with JavaScript. And adding custom form validation, tracking user behavior with analytics script, embedding third party visit or tools. So method 1 is add custom JavaScript with HTML visit. So for that, first it is Elementor free. So first go to your page and drag HTML visit into footer or bottom section of your page and paste script tag. Like at here I have one code. Like I have one issue at here on my site. Skills services experience portfolio is showing at here is as active, so I want to remove these active classes. So first I first I go to like by a step. uh, First I edit my page with Elementor. So first go at here, pages, and now I am on home page. So click on home and edit with Elementor. And then drag HTML visit into footer. Now drag HTML visit into footer. So go at the footer and click on and add here, add HTML visit. Now you can add custom code at here, custom HTML code at here. So like at here it is giving some script code. So I just I added my code. So I have my code for remove these thing. So just I'm pasting it here and now publish. Now click purge this page. Now it is removed because it is home page, so we do not want any active, but I am using these thing like directly hashtag, so it was coming as active. So it is first method, and but note this method work only for specific page, not for all page. Like I added only for home page, so it only work for home page, not for all page. And second method, go to your function.php or child.php, and inside that you can paste this code inside that, inside function.php, and make a custom.js in and make a custom file custom.js, and inside that without script tag you can put this code, but it will run globally. Like at here it will run, and at about it will run, so everywhere it will run. So if you want to add some condition etc, then you can add condition at here at enqueue time. So you can add condition like it is for only home page, so by that you can implement this thing. And third method, add custom JavaScript with Elementor Pro. So for this method you just go to dashboard, go for Elementor and go for custom code. If you have Elementor Pro, then yeah, you can get access of add custom code at here, and then click add new, and inside that paste your JavaScript code and choose location as header footer. I always recommend footer, so you can add that code inside footer. So best practice for adding custom JavaScript in Elementor: always place heavy script in footer. To improve performance, use child theme if editing function.php, so update don't override changes. So please do not add directly in parent theme, always use child theme. Test your script on staging side before applying to live. Keep JavaScript code minimally optimized for speed. And final thought is, if you are using free version, use HTML widget, and if you are using no coding, then you can use HFCM or code snippet are perfect. And if you have Elementor Pro, then custom code feature make it easy to manage your script. So if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more WordPress tips, and tell me in comment what tutorial you had like next. Thanks for watching.